morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be remaking Ariana Grande's look from the music video that Lady Gaga and her did for the song Rain on Me, and I took a picture of it so that you guys can see which look I'm going to be redoing. So I'm going to be remaking that look. A lot of the steps that I'm going to be doing off camera because I want to focus wholly on the eyes, because that's where the main look is, on the eyes. Okay guys, so I did my foundation, my contouring, and my eyebrows really quickly so that I can focus on the eyes for this tutorial. I think what I'm gonna start off with is her black eyeliner. She has black eyeliner on her eyes, and Ariana Grande tends to like to sport a very sharp wing on her eyes, so I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to start off with that wing, and I'm just going to flick it out because I don't have much space on my my eyelid. I'm just going to flick it out like that, and then I'm going to connect it. Okay, and I'm going to do the other one, the other eye. Going to be doing the white eyeliner that she has on her eye, and this is the one that I'm most nervous about because if you mess up, you basically have to start all over again. And oh, by the way, the eyeliner that I used was from NYX Cosmetics. See that? NYX? There's a liquid liner. And then the one that I'm using for my eyes is also from NYX, and it's Epic White, or Epic Wear, and it's a white eyeliner. Oh, try not to breathe. Connect the two lines together. I'm just going to kind of deepen in the lines. There we go. Now let's do the other eye. I have to be careful because of my like Asian eyes. I have like a little bit of a hooded lid. So I want to make sure to avoid that area, or else the white's just gonna go everywhere. Kind of starting to look like a raccoon, yeah. I think she uses some black eyeliner, so I'm going to be putting on some black eyeliner. Guys, I don't know how she manages to make this look sexy. I feel like a raccoon. But since I started, I am going to fully commit and continue on with this makeup transformation. You know what this look needs? This look probably needs some false lashes. I'm gonna go grab some false lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some false lashes off camera, just so I don't look like an absolute raccoon. So that is the eye part, and she also has a nude lip on the video, so I'm going to be using this soft contouring lip liner from Essence. It's going to line my lips. Sensational by Maybelline. There we go. Lips are filled. Maybe I want to make them a little bigger. Just doing a slight overdraw on my lower lip just to make it look more luscious. And I'm gonna try this plumping nude lip gloss from Essence. Glossier the better. Okay, so I think as the eye look, I'm just gonna fix my hair so that it looks just like hers. Okay, so in the video her hair is like a little bit wavy, so I'm just making my hair a little bit wavy, just like Ariana Grande, so I look less like a raccoon. Do we look the same? Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on Ariana Grande's and Lady Gaga's YouTube video or music video, Let It Rain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please don't do anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you later. Bye.